Hi, it's your sewing Sherpa Shauna, and I just wanted to say that the Undies series went off beautifully. I was really thrilled with it. I think that we're going to just have to keep that one on rotation. And in honor of National Diarrhea Recognition Week, which is running through Friday, just kidding. Um, just kidding. Anyhow, yeah, so this next month in May, the pattern making primer is going to do the Undies series again. So if you wanted to get in on it, but it wasn't the greatest time, um, it's up again, and we're gonna do the Undies sewing with Undies. So that was a real challenge this first time around. I thought, oh, it takes 15 minutes to sew, so the class can be 3 hours long. It takes 15 minutes to sew once you're real comfortable with everything. So the 3 hour class was kind of a rush. But I'm going to reconfigure it. I'm going to keep it at 3 hours. These are undies. And then maybe there'll be like a follow-up session or something afterwards. But I'm super excited to keep them on the roster. I think we're just going to keep them going once a quarter, something like that, so that everybody gets a chance to figure out how to make a pattern and then get to use your pattern to sew something from. There's a lot of connections that go on there, and then when you look at someone else's pattern, it's going to look totally different. So thanks for all your belief and jumping on board for the proto classes of the Undies and pattern making primer with Undies, because it was a lot of fun. Keep on sewing.